At first glance, Enceladus seems to be just another frozen world, far from the warmth of the sun, hiding within the shadow of its massive parent, Saturn. A barren moon, isolated and distant. Yet, beneath this cold, lifeless exterior, Enceladus holds the tantalizing possibility of one of the most profound discoveries in the history of science. Could life exist beyond Earth? And if it does, could it thrive in places far more extreme than we ever imagined? Enceladus, a world of mystery and wonder, challenges everything we thought we knew about what it takes for life to exist. With a surface that seems inhospitable, an ocean deep beneath the ice, and geysers shooting water into space, it may be one of the most surprising candidates for habitability in the solar system. But is it truly a world where life could survive? What can we learn from this small moon that might reshape our understanding of life in the cosmos? Enceladus is just one of Saturn's many moons, but what sets it apart from its companions is its remarkable composition and behavior. This tiny moon, no more than 500 kilometers in diameter, might appear insignificant in the shadow of Saturn's immense size. Yet, it possesses a secret that has captivated scientists for years: the potential for life in a place where none would expect it. Orbiting Saturn at a distance of around 1.2 million kilometers, Enceladus is far from the sun. Temperatures at its surface hover around -200 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest places in the solar system. Yet, despite this extreme cold, Enceladus exhibits behavior that suggests there's more than meets the eye. Its surface is covered in deep cracks, fractures, and a unique set of ridges, all signs that this moon is not merely a frozen wasteland but a dynamic, evolving world. In 2005, NASA's Cassini spacecraft, on its mission to study Saturn and its moons, made a stunning discovery: plumes of water vapor, ice particles, and organic molecules spewing from the south pole of Enceladus. These geysers seemed to come from deep below the surface, suggesting that there was something much more complex happening underneath this moon's icy crust. These plumes were a breakthrough. They weren't just atmospheric vapors. They were direct vents into Enceladus' subsurface, providing the first clues that something, perhaps something living, was thriving in an environment far from the sun and far from what we once thought of as habitable. To understand why Enceladus has become such an intriguing candidate for harboring life, we need to consider the basic ingredients required for life as we know it: water, energy, and organic molecules. These are the essential building blocks of life, and Enceladus appears to have them all. Water, in liquid form, is the most fundamental requirement for life. Earth's biosphere depends entirely on water, which serves as a solvent for the chemical reactions that sustain life. On Enceladus, that water exists beneath the ice, in a vast ocean that is kept warm by tidal heating, a process where Saturn's gravitational pull creates friction, generating heat within the moon's core. This allows the liquid water to remain in a fluid state, even beneath a thick, icy shell. Despite the moon's frozen exterior, scientists believe that this ocean could harbor conditions similar to the deep, dark waters of Earth's oceans, where life thrives in the absence of sunlight. In these environments, organisms depend on energy from chemical reactions, not from sunlight, to survive. And that brings us to the second crucial ingredient: energy. On Earth, life near hydrothermal vents deep beneath the ocean relies on the heat from the planet's core. Similarly, Enceladus' subsurface ocean is heated by tidal forces as Saturn's gravity tugs at the moon, stretching and compressing it as it orbits the giant planet. This process generates friction within the moon's icy shell, producing heat that keeps the ocean liquid. Third, Enceladus possesses organic molecules, compounds that form the backbone of life. Organic molecules are carbon-based compounds that play critical roles in the metabolism, structure, and reproduction of living organisms. These compounds were detected in the plumes of water that shoot into space, confirming that Enceladus not only has the raw materials for life, but the very building blocks needed for life to emerge and thrive. The Cassini spacecraft has been the key to unlocking the mysteries of Enceladus. On multiple flybys, Cassini passed through the plumes of water and ice that erupt from the moon's surface, collecting vital data about its composition. What it found has only deepened the intrigue. Among the most significant discoveries was the detection of hydrogen gas in the plumes. Hydrogen is a crucial ingredient for certain forms of life on Earth, particularly in environments like deep-sea hydrothermal vents, where microbes use hydrogen as a source of energy. The presence of hydrogen on Enceladus suggests that the subsurface ocean may harbor the chemical reactions needed to sustain life, using hydrogen as a key energy source. Cassini also detected salts, ammonia, and other complex organic molecules in the plumes. These findings suggest that the ocean beneath the ice might be interacting with the moon's rocky core, creating a rich and dynamic chemical environment. If life exists on Enceladus, it would likely thrive in this chemical soup, just as life does around Earth's deep-sea vents. But while the evidence points toward a promising environment for life, there are still many unknowns. For one, the thick icy shell that blankets Enceladus is several kilometers deep. This frozen armor makes direct exploration of the subsurface ocean nearly impossible. Even if microbial life exists beneath the ice, we have no direct way of detecting it yet. The question of what conditions exist beneath the ice remains a mystery. Is the ocean fully enclosed, or are there channels connecting it to the surface? What is the exact chemistry of the ocean, and how might it sustain life? These are questions that future missions may answer, but for now, they remain tantalizing unknowns. However, there is hope. Future missions could drill through the ice, sending probes directly into Enceladus Ocean to analyze its composition and search for signs of life. Technologies like cryobots, robots designed to survive and operate in extreme cold, could one day reach the moon's hidden waters, unlocking the greatest secret Enceladus has to offer. So, could Enceladus support life? The ingredients are certainly there: liquid water, an energy source, and organic molecules. These are the building blocks for life as we know it. In fact, life on Earth has proven to be remarkably resilient, surviving in the most extreme environments imaginable, deep within the Earth's crust, in boiling hot springs, and in icy tundras. Why not Enceladus? Life may not resemble anything we're familiar with. Perhaps it is microbial, existing in the dark depths of the ocean, sustained by chemicals and energy sources far different from anything we see on Earth. Perhaps it's based on entirely different biochemistry, one we can't yet comprehend. But the mere possibility that life could exist in such an extreme environment changes everything. It expands our understanding of where life could emerge and flourish, suggesting that habitable worlds might be more common than we ever imagined. The search for life on Enceladus is far from over. As we continue to probe the outer solar system, the mysteries of this icy moon remain at the forefront of astrobiological exploration. And with each discovery, we are one step closer to answering the greatest question humanity has ever asked: are we alone? Enceladus is a reminder that life may not require the familiar warmth of a sun. It may thrive in environments we once thought hostile, beneath ice, in the dark, far from the life-giving rays of distant stars. Perhaps the universe is teeming with life, hidden in places we've yet to explore. And perhaps, in the icy depths of Enceladus, life is waiting to be discovered. For now, we can only dream and wonder. But one thing is certain: Enceladus is a world of possibility, a world that promises to change the course of human understanding. The search for life continues, and Enceladus is just one of many places where that search might one day bear fruit.